squishy, my whole squishy, like collection, including my homemade ones. So yeah, let's just get started. I am going to actually put in I'm gonna do my homemade squishies first. Okay, so this is my first squishy. This sandwich, this s'more, this eat me cookie, and this candy. Now for my real squishies, but I do have another one, but I left it downstairs. So, this cake, this chocolate donut, this purple donut. Oh, this one actually is scented. This smells like soap. I don't know why, but it smells good. This one, this panda thingy. No. These French fries. This ice cream bucket. Well, not bucket. Ice cream bowl. This apple. And I do have an orange, but I left it downstairs, and if you want to see that, just go to my last video, and then you'll see it. And my last squishy is this unicorn. So yeah, that's my whole squishy collection. So yeah, bye. Whoa.